Hello everyone, today we are embarking on a journey to Algonquin Park. Unfortunately fortunately we have a small car which is a sedan, and I'll show you how we managed to put everything together on a sedan with a family of 4 and still ensuring that we are carrying everything. It's like carrying the whole home. I'll just quickly switch over and show you. 1 second. So if you look around, this is a rooftop bag that I bought, and this is our trunk of the car. If you look, we are at en route Barry. It's nice with burgers, Popeyes, Tim Hortons. Nice place to take a rest. I think we are still be around 2.5 hours away from Algonquin. So this is a good in-between place. We started from Burlington. Because of the heavy jam, it took us a lot of time to reach here. Hello guys, we have finally reached our campsite. This is Manya. Manya, say hello. Manya is a little bit camera shy, but you can look at the view of the whole site. It's very nice. And you can see kids started playing as well. We are gonna get the things off the car. If you see that it's already in a lot of shade right now, so it's very good actually, because we are planning to put the tent right here, kind of near to the fire as well. So this place could be our tent area, and then from this place we can pull the power. So there is a pillar for the power here.
We are thinking of good activities here. We can do balancing here on this log, and here is our family. Can you play that game again? That is a good idea. Yes. What is the name of the game? Concentration. Next.
Category. Dog.
So we have to just get everything out from our car. Come on guys, we have to help. So here our kids are working and helping out. This is a good activity. So we'll have a fun time together, working together, no fighting, and Mama will only rest and order. Everything will be done by our other family members.
Hey, Mama,
yes.
Stop, okay, I'm recording.
We are now setting up our table here. We have just table mat with the clips here. We have some clips so that
There's nothing
I can give you. We can give an overview of our gas stove. Can you keep it here, Manu? Here is our gas stove and here is our cooler. I'll show you what all things are here in my cooler. So what we have got today, we have got few eggs, and we got rice and rajma for our lunch, late lunch now. We got some corns. We'll do some barbecue with corns. We have some cut veggies, and this is all masala in it. We have some sausages and some veggies with lemon and salad and butter. So we will be eating this food, cooking and enjoying the food for next 3-4 days. We have some fruits here in this, and we have chocolate also. Yes, we love dark chocolate. Let's go and set up and eat our food and enjoy. We are trying to set up our tent. This is for the first time we are making a tent.
जान से। आओ आ जाओ जग पे छा जाओ जी जान से। हाँ ये हुई ना बात, ऐसे ही गाते हैं। 1 2 आए हो तुम तो आओ, हमें आके राह दिखाओ, मंजिल पे हमें पहुंचाओ। आओ आ जाओ।
Here is our final tent, which is now ready to enter. We are now filling it up with our beddings, our air mattresses, and our other stuff. This is huge. Enjoy. We are trying to fix the electrical port here in the tent. So we got a very big wire, a long extension cord. So here is the port here, which was given here in our tent. Show me, Kashyap. Show me. Open the zip. I want to see. See, there is a small zipper, and in the corner there is a point. And now here we are going towards our pole, electrical pole. This is a long electrical wire which we bought for mowing our lawn. Let's go that side. So we have to detangle it, and we are going towards this. Let's see how does it work. See, we are now going to fill up the air in our air mattress. See, here it is. We got our extension cord inside the tent, and here is the pump which was provided with the air mattress box. So we will put it in here and started filling it up. Here it goes. Look at it now. We are getting our air mattress done. So that it is all fixed up and ready to use. Should I sit and check? Here it goes. Awesome. He is ready. He is enjoying on his pillow, on his airbed.
Sleeping this way. No.
Here you go.
We're moving it.
So this is our final room, all set with bed. This is our one tent bedroom. Let's enjoy Rajma Chawal in a camping area. Let's see. Yeah. I got a lot of masalas in my box. I got this chana masala in this box, and then just make it a special tarka. I got an olive oil here, and then rajma and rice. I'll just warm it with special tarkas, double tarka, and we will enjoy our rajma chawal in the camp. Enjoy. Grilling time on our campsite. Look at it. Enjoy tandoori chicken and chili chicken. Enjoy our favorite snacks, son cake, haldirams. It's so delicious. And some grapes. Evening time snacks little bit because we were tired after putting up all this tent. And here is our campsite. We have some water here and washing stuff here. Here is our snacks. Enjoy. Now on our way here, we can see different kinds of setup, beachside setup. Here is another, and we can see the water here. There is no way here.
Oh, यहाँ से R.
So R means this is P, parking, no parking here. But we can go from here, Rohit. So here is another campsite just in front of the beach, and here it is specifically written no dogs. Going finally to the beach side. So we are meeting our friends here. Hello. All are having fun time. Hi. How are you? We are here at the beach side. Lake of Two Rivers. Very nice, peaceful environment. Families are enjoying. there are few kayaks if you want to rent. Everyone, now we are doing evening grilling time, and I have here we got marinated chili chicken kind of flavor this side, and this side is tandoori chicken flavor, and we are just keeping it for grilling here on this griller for around 45 minutes. For chili chicken I use this Szechuan fried rice masala, and I already added soya sauce, chili sauce and vinegar while marination, so hopefully it will turn out good. We'll keep it for another 15 minutes, almost done. So we are going to our friend's tent place and it is 9:30 p.m. So we are trying to start and play Antakshari. Who is going to start? Parul, you start. Start with Ka.
कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा 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 पहले प्यार की पहली चिट्ठी.
This school trip, kind of school trip, like all the kids, and there were I think 2 university students who were chaperoning or kind of the committee head, who took them along and they went for a backcountry trip. So for that backcountry trip they have to take a
We are
canoe.
enjoying our night time with a
Canoe
story,
backcountry.
real time story.
So they have
By
to
road.
row the boat.
Hello. So Mani and Krishiv are on their bed now.
We're
in their
playing
sleeping
Uno.
bag.
Don't look at my cards.
Okay, and here is
Manya, it's my
their
turn. It's my turn, right?
sleeping bags and their bed, and they are all set to sleep.
Okay, Manya, I'm gonna change the
Manya?
color for you, okay? Yeah.
We are
Bye.
here in this